So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a savings account here on the EQ Bank application. So once EQ Bank is opened up, I want you to go to the main dashboard screen here, then go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down a little bit until you come across all the different accounts that you can open up on EQ Bank. So under the featured products page right here, there's a bunch of different accounts you can open. In this case, you want a savings account, so go ahead at the top where it says Notice Savings Account, simply go ahead and select that. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can go ahead and read all about the savings account that you're going to open up. So a high interest means accessible savings, so you can get up to a 2.75% interest rate, no monthly fees, no monthly deposits. You can also read more about it this way. A bunch of different options right here. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, just simply go to the bottom to where it says Open Notice Savings Account, the black bar. Go ahead and select that. Once again, it's going to go ahead and show you the rate, so you can go ahead and do the 2.35% rate or the 2.75% rate. All this basically does is it gives you a little bit more of a rate if you actually take longer with the withdrawals. So you can go ahead and select whatever one you want. So you can go ahead and select whatever one you want. You can then scroll down saying how do you intend to use this account. So if you wanted to, for it to be a savings account, you can do that. It can be deposits, live investments, whatever the case may be. And if this all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on Open Account to proceed that way with the opening up of your savings account. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up a savings account on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.